Hi, I'm Laura from Rosie Studio. It's been over 20 years since we started bringing our creative scrapbooking and card making supplies to the world, all from our home here in New Zealand. There's so much love that goes into each of our collections. We have an amazing team of designers who create everything in-house, from choosing the colours to picking the designs that they think you're going to love. So whether you've been crafting for years or you're just starting out, creating beautiful projects is just going to be so easy and enjoyable. Each of our collections is filled with absolutely gorgeous products. You're going to love our pattern papers, our stickers, and our embellishments that coordinate together so easily. We have a huge community of crafters from around the world who love using our products, and we absolutely love seeing what they create and knowing that we've helped to capture their life's happy moments. If you want to be part of the Rosie Studio community, jump on our website at rosiestudio.com.